Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Another project around the house. Fall is upon us. My gutter is filled with goodies up there. Dirt, debris, and of course I'm growing some trees up there, and it's time to clean it up. And to make sure it doesn't happen again, I got this easy quick aluminum gutter screen for 5-inch gutter. Let's open it up, take a look. There it is. 2 pieces right here. Look at that. All right, we'll mount this. Hang tight. I'll show you how. Take a look. Oh yeah. Got some work to do. This is just the old-fashioned cleanup, right? Grab it, dump it. Look at that. Keep doing it till done. All cleaned up and in the process of putting one on right now. I'm at the very edge and let me show you. Just bend it and push down. Tuck it in underneath first. Make sure go. There you go. There you go. And slide it all the way out. Look at that. Perfect. One down. I'll show you. And I'm gonna put it all the way to the end. Okay, let's put the second one on underneath. See this thing right here? Overlap it with the other. Tuck it in. Perfect. Take a look at that. Okay, we just have to keep moving the ladder over until you can no longer reach it, right? As furthest I could go, so I'll move my ladder just right here and keep doing it. All right, so far so good. 1.5 so far. Take a look. So far so good. Look at that. Halfway through. I'm at the very end and I need to cut one of them. So I just kind of laid it down there, max it out right there. And the last two, just make sure I overlap one. Make a note. I need to cut it just right here. I'm gonna give it a little bit of excess just to be sure, but that's where I need to cut it. Right there. All right, hang tight. There's my clipper right there. Take a look. All done. And here's at the end. And this is kind of buckled up a little bit because my ladder is pressing to it, but I should be okay. A little tricky because at the very end there's a lot of my weight pressing on the gutter. I wish I had that extension that sits on top of the roof or on the sidings, right? But you'll make do with what you have. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Beautiful.